Hi guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to dial numbers in your contacts list that are in international format, but you'd like them to go out as national format because you're in the same country. So first thing, just go and open your ST500 app. Once it loads, go to settings. And then click on profiles. And then click on your active profile. You will need to do it on every profile you have created, so just keep that in mind. And then click on telephone service. Then click on dial plan. Just keep in mind I am in Australia, so my dial plan is currently set to P4 Australia. So I want to edit that, so go to edit plans and click on the Australian one. You will notice that you cannot edit the existing plans, so you've got to create a brand new plan. So we'll get out of this, press back twice, and then down the bottom it says create new plan, but we don't want to do that. We want to press and hold the Australia dial plan, so it asks us if we want to copy it. We hit yes, and then it'll create a new copy at the top, Australia_copy. So the dial plan is already preset, assuming you dial 0 for an outside line, which is normal here in Australia. The only thing that's missing is to get rid of the +61 in front of Australian numbers. So we'll need to create a new rule. So down the bottom, click on create new rule, and you can name it whatever you want. I'll just name it strip +61. Then click OK. And then if you scroll down, you'll see it at the very bottom. So if you click into it, you'll notice it's disabled by default. So enable that, click on pattern and enter the pattern that's on the screen. So it'll be the caret symbol, backslash, and then +61, backslash, and then D, and then the open brace symbol, and then digit 9 for 9 digits after the 61, and then close brace symbol, and then the $sign. So after that, just confirm you've got the string in correctly, smash the like button, and then smash the OK button. Now we'll go into add prefix. So this is what we want to add in front of the number. So 0 for an outside line and then 0 for the 02. Then go to remove prefix and we want to remove the +61 from the string. Now if you want to test it, you click on number to test and then enter a number in +61 format. If you're in a different country, you enter your own country's format. Then click OK. As you can see down the bottom, it has chopped off the +61 and added 00 in front of the number, which is what we want. When you're ready, click back and you should be able to see your new rule down there, strip +61 with all the entries. Now even though we've made the pattern, we still need to rearrange the rules because in the international format, it's got plus in there. So because the app looks from top to bottom, as soon as it detects the plus, if the international rule is above the strip +61, it'll use that rule instead. I'll show you. So make sure you go back and go into dial plan and make sure you've got the new dial plan selected. So go into using plan and select Australia_copy. Then you just keep hitting back until you go to the dialer and we'll dial +61. That'll do. So if we hit dial, you'll notice at the top it's got rid of the +61 and inserted 0011 or 0011. So we don't want that, so go back to settings, back into the profile, and then telephone service, dial plan, edit dial plan, and then Australia copy. Down the bottom you should see edit order. Click on that. Then you'll see some sandwich lines pop up on the right hand side. You got to click and hold so you can drag the dial plans up and reorder them. So make sure strip +61 is before the international rule. Once you've done that, click on order to fix and click back until you get back to the dialer. I'll just try that same made up number again. See, now it's stripped off the +61 and added 00 like we wanted. So if we go into our contacts and just look for someone that has a international formatted number, like me, So if we click on the first one, and it's automatically changed it from +61 to 00, and then my mobile number. So that works. Now don't forget to go back to each profile and modify its dial plan, otherwise if you're using a different profile it won't work. So the last thing to now do is to smash that like button, subscribe and share the video around. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.